This is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I will show how you can change the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. That's the tool that allows you to set any custom screen timeout values and set its value to never to begin with, since the system settings only allow us to go as high as 30 minutes, I guess, as per the idle time. So anyway, find this app, get it downloaded, which will happen relatively quickly since it is a very lightweight application, just under 7 megabytes in file size. Once the app is ready and installed, you gotta open it. Then make sure that the timeout parameter was set to be at the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally or purposely close it, so it stays in the list of recent apps like that. As soon as you do that, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.